Hi friends, welcome to a Tasty Tuesday video. This one is going to be of making some fun dips. Today I'm going to be making my brother's favorite dip that I make, and it is the buffalo chicken dip. So come along with me while I make that. And this is also another collaboration with my friend Rachel from LiveLaughLoveMommy. She's also making a fun dip as well. So after watching this video, if you have not yet, definitely head over to her channel, watch her video, like, share, and subscribe to her if you have not yet, because you will definitely not regret it. Alright guys, let's get to cooking. Alright, so what you will need is you can use more, but I'm using only 2 cans of the Kirkland chicken breast. I'm also using 2/3 cup of Frank's red hot sauce. I'm using 1/2 to 3/4 of the Wishbone fat-free chunky blue cheese dressing, and then I'm also using 1/2 to 3/4 of the Kraft fat-free classic ranch dressing, and then I'm using 8 ounces of the fat-free cream cheese, and I'm also using about 2 handfuls of the Fiesta blended shredded cheese. Alright, now to start cooking, I'm just adding in the 8 ounces of the cream cheese, and I'm going to stir it up in here. I preheated the pot, so it's a lot easier to kind of blend a little bit better. So I'm just starting out by chopping up the 8 ounces of the cream cheese with the spatula so I can mix it a little bit easier. And then now I'm just adding the 2 cans of drained chicken breast. And now I'm just going to take that spatula and kind of chop up the chunks of the chicken breast, just because I don't want it to be too chunky, just would like to be more shredded. Alright, now I'll be adding about 1/2 to 2/3 of the Wishbone chunky blue cheese dressing, and I'll stir that in a little bit. And then now I'll be adding about 1/2 to 2/3 of the light ranch dressing, and then I'll stir that in as well. Right, and now to add 2/3 cup of the Frank's red hot sauce. And stir that up too. Now to add 2 handfuls of the Fiesta blended shredded cheese. I'm going to be doing 1 handful at a time and stirring it up, and then I'll do the next handful and stir that up as well. And now I'm going to add the lid and set the timer to 7 minutes. Right now it is currently on about medium heat, and I'm waiting for it to boil, and as soon as it boils I'm going to bring it down to about low medium heat and let it just cook for about 5 minutes. And then here we go. This is what it looks like, and you can use potato chips or tortilla chips. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have not yet, definitely like and subscribe to my channel, and I'd love for you to share, because I'm sure there's people out there that would like to have this recipe as well. Also, I need more friends. And I want to give a big thank you to Rachel from LiveLaughLoveMommy for doing another collaboration with me. She is awesome, you guys. You will love her. You'll love her channel. She does a lot of things like I do, and we do Tasty Tuesdays every single Tuesday for a while now. So hopefully you guys can enjoy that and just watch them and try those recipes out for yourself, and let us know in the comment section below what you guys think. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have not yet, definitely like, share, and subscribe. I need more friends, and I'll see you guys around in my next video. Thanks for watching, you guys. Bye! Now, 'cause she's the one I'm thinking of. Hey.